Hi, I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. I wanted to show you item number 999246 and 999245. This is a 20-inch diameter by 10-foot long LED column with 7,200 little fairy lights on it. And this is a 12-foot diameter, 10-foot long fairy column with 4,800 LED lights. I wanted to show you these because I think it's sort of hard to tell on the website that you can do more things with this than just have it used as a column. So we do offer an additional ring so that you can make it into a column and you can attach all the strands at the bottom, but also you can take these strands, and by the way, if this becomes a tangled mess, I was worried about these because I thought, what if people get these into a big mess and they just have a ball of lights at the bottom here? And what you do is you grab a strand and pull it out. I mean, it is the easiest thing in the world. You pull it out and that's it. If you want to use these lights curly, you wrap them around your hand and you can make them into kind of curly waves. See how that works? Or you can use them straight. But this is awesome to make an indoor canopy. So if you hung this from a ceiling, either from a tented space or wherever you're going to use it, you could use each of these strands and hang them at different places in the ceiling. The strand count and all the other details are on the website. You know how we're really crazy about putting all those details together, but this is a hard item to produce, believe it or not, because to get all of the strands to be lit up and be one continuous piece like this with just one plug, it's a really difficult thing. It takes a lot of technology, and it takes it's sort of advanced because lots of times when you have this many lights, you'd have to have it plugging in from a bunch of places. So this has just one plug-in. So this has a one plug, this has one plug, and that's it. So that's awesome. You will need a power source, obviously, because it's not battery operated. We weren't able to do that, but this is a wonderful piece. Use it as a column, use it to spread out and make a ceiling canopy, and we're gonna get together with one of our event planners and make a giant canopy out of those. So we'll make sure to do a video and show you lots of photos of that event. Thank you so much. If you have any other questions, let us know.